Came to my bandsaw this morning, needed to resaw a piece of walnut, only to discover and finally decide that this blade is way too dull to be used. Let me show you how to take it off and fold it up. Time to take this blade off and dispose of it and get a new one. So I'm going to show you how to take it off of my bandsaw here. We're going to take the top cover plate off first. We'll set that over here. We're going to take the bottom one off too. Got to take all this apart to get a blade off. Come on. Today. There's the bottom part of it all. This cover's got to come out. And we've got to take our throat plate out. This little keeper between the two sides of the bed comes out. And we've got to go back here and loosen the tension up on this. And that's part of the problem with that blade, is it's stretched and the tension in there is gone. Now it'll come off of those wheels just like that. And it'll come out from behind the guard. Turn it sideways like this. Get it out of our guides down there. And it'll slide right out of that slot just like that. Now that we've got our blade off, let me show you a couple of different ways to fold this up. This is one I use sometimes, depending on the size of the blade. Teeth are up. I'm simply pushing it down, rolling it in like that. Another way to do it is to step on the blade, and I'm putting very light pressure on it, because if this were a blade that I was going to keep and reuse, I wouldn't want to bend the blade, or I wouldn't want to put the set out of the teeth. I'm going to grab it like this. I'm simply going to turn it one whole turn. And right there you go. The only thing I would caution there is long pants. Because if you run this bandsaw blade up against your legs, it can scratch them up pretty good. Right? So that's right there is the safest, best way to dispose of a wore out bandsaw blade. Get the thing wadded up so you can throw it away. Right there you go.